Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing about few companies where the insiders have bought the shares continuously in the recent time. So the first stock we'll be discussing is Anjani Synthetics. You can look at the current market price. It's trading around 22 and it's hit the 52-week high in the past week. So let's look at the insider trading details. You can see here today date is 1st March. That's like around 1 o'clock 1 p.m. I'm doing this video, but you can see almost like last 2 weeks itself the insiders have bought this stock several times. You can see this promoter acquisition. So if you go to the next page, right, you can see a huge quantity. This is during the COVID fall, huge quantity. Here also you can see almost like 2 lakh shares they have bought here. This it is showing as indirect acquisition. Okay, this you can leave, but this and all are market purchase. If you see all the other, this one is market purchase. You can see here all market purchase. And what is one more good sign is you can see it's already hit, like you said, like I just saw here, right, 52-week high. It's near traded near to 52-week high. Still the promoter is keeping on buying, so that's really a good sign actually. So let's look into the fundamentals of this company. The good thing is the face value is still 10, and you can see the promoter holding is almost like 73%, so that's really huge. So and that is very good sign. Also, if you see in the change in promoter holding for last 3 years, it's increased for 7%, so that is also another good sign. But other than the promoter holding, what actually matters for the company is how it's performing, and there it's little bad. You can see the sales growth for last 5 years is gone down to 1%. Then depth and reserves, it's almost same, so they don't have enough cash reserves. So this is also one more not a good sign actually. But of course, if every point in this fundamentals were really good, the stock price wouldn't be at this current market price, right? It would have been very huge. So definitely these are things we can assume as time passes, these things may perform good. But since the promoter is keeping on buying the share, right, I feel definitely this company in the coming days might perform well. So that is my kind of analysis and thinking what I am going into this company. So you can also do your own analysis and research, and then you can decide whether you need to invest or not. But for me, I'm just investing some small amount because it's already hurt 52-week high. You can see it, but even the low is almost like 10 rupees. So risk to reward is actually good in this one. You can put a stop loss of 52-week low or like 10 rupees or something. You can buy it around this current market price or anywhere, like 15 to 20 in that market price range. You can buy it. You can keep a stop loss as 10, and the reward is really like you don't know how like once the rally begins in the stock, it can keep going, right? You don't know, but the risk is like you can, as I said, like maximum 10 rupees you can take risk per share. So yeah, so that way you can plan up your trade. But as I said, you can completely do more analysis on this share, and then completely decide whether you need to buy it or not. So market capitalization is not very huge compared to the other peers. You can see it's very low actually. So yeah, that was the first stock. So second one is this Pudumiji paper products. So that is also, you can see it's at 52-week high today. So I think in my last video also I had recommended this share when it was trading around 21 rupees. I'm not sure, but I had already invested a few quantities of into this share when it was trading around 22 rupees. So again I see when I checked last week, again the promoter had bought few more shares. You can see this. So yeah, that's why again I'm showing it to you also. You can see this quantity also. Their market purchase is increasing actually. All this you can see here, except for this one, all others are market purchase. So again let's look into the fundamentals and then decide about this also. You can see face value is 1, and then depth is negligible, so this is almost depth free company. You can see the reserves is like almost more than 5 to 8 times it's there, the whatever the depth is there. And this company is into preparing all kind of paper products for all kind of segments. You can look at this one. and I've gone into this website and I've checked about this company also. You can take a look into this one. So I felt it's good actually, especially looking at this figures. It's really good thing. And what is the another good advantages? Again, this promoter holding is almost more than 70%. That is also a very good sign. And last 3 years, if you see, the promoter holding has increased to 4%. That is also a good sign. But this quarterly sales is gone down very badly, so that is one negative sign. But yeah, so look at this, all the pros of this company. I'm not going into details of this analysis because I want you to analyze this company. I'm just showing you the companies which you can look for investing. So I want you to do further detailed analysis, and then you need to decide whether you can go into this investing or not. But I've already invested in the share with very small quantity. That's what I'm telling you. And you can even look at this peer comparison also. The market capitalization is again like very low for this company also, but that's why the price is also here actually. Yeah, so you can again take a call of this company whether you need to invest or not. So risk to reward, I feel it's little high in the stock, like risk is high because you can see it's almost close to 27 price. The current market price is 25 and it's almost close to 52 week high, whereas the 52 week low is 9 rupees. So it's almost like 2 times you will be having a risk actually. 9 threes are 27. So yeah, so you can take a call on that one. But like I said, I feel currently it's a good investment. Looking at this current acquisition, whatever is happening, and also the company, whatever it is doing, that is also good actually. So yeah, this was another company. Next, it is Signet Industries. This companies I really liked was it's into even this wind power. This one also. So that is like into renewable energy sector. That is really a good sign. But when I visited their website, right, I never found anything related to this information. They had just given in Rajasthan they have some windmills where they generate renewable energy for their company usage. That's what they had given. But what exactly it's doing for wind power? What is this company having a direct relation with this sector? They have not mentioned in detail. So if you have any information, you can let me know about that one. But other than that, they are into this kind of all other segments. So even for this company, if you can see, the promoter holding is huge actually, 70+%. So that is also a good sign. And they have also been buying recently. You can see the change in promoter holding is increasing, and the depth is high compared to reserves. So that is one concerning sign here. And what is one more concerning sign is also current market price. You can see it's you will be having more risk here if you buy at the current market price. So I suggest in this Signet Industries and even this Padmaji paper products, if there is any slight correction, then you can enter like anywhere like around 20 rupees you can buy this share. That will be a good sign to enter this. Even for the Signet also, currently it's little high. If there is any correction, you can enter this share also. But all this, whatever first the 3 companies I showed it, all these 3 companies, the promoter holding is almost more than 70%. So the public is having very less quantity. So like once there is a very good sign or like very good news or something, right, any of these companies, then the stock will keep on hitting new highs, because you won't be able to buy the shares, like with public it's very less quantity. So whenever you get any correction or whenever you find the price is little lower, I suggest you to enter into the stocks if you have in mind that you want to invest in this. So if you want to invest or not, that, like I said, you need to do further research and then make up that mind. So coming to the 4th share, it is Pritish Nandi Communications. So this is into film distributions. You can see here the company is engaged in film production and all the entertainment company. And you can see here depth is very low compared to the reserve, so it's almost debt free company. Promoter holding is around 50%. So I suggest you if you find this company good, after your analysis, if you feel like investing, this is really a good time to enter, because you can see here 52-week high is around 27 and current market price is around 18 rupees. So you can buy some quantity of shares now, and then if there is any more correction, you can buy in some more quantity. But as of now, you can enter. That's my suggestion, but only after your analysis, detailed analysis, then only I suggest you enter. But what is the good sign why you need to enter is, like I said, it's almost debt free company. You can see the promoter holding change, almost 9% increase in the promoter holding in last 3 years. So, and what is this company into? I went into the kind of movies they have produced. Like, it was not really significant movies. Whatever I saw, I went through their website and I checked that one. But overall, it is one of the company where you can keep it in your watch list and look in time to time, and then you can decide whether you need to enter or not. Overall fundamentals is good, overall it's good, but like almost all the 4 companies, whatever I'm showing you, market capitalization is very less. That's why the price is also very less. Yeah, so the next stock is this Gravity India. This one is like a penny stock, completely penny stock. You can see this, and the risk to reward is also good, because if you see the 52-week low is around 1 rupee or 90 paisa actually. Yeah, you can see here 90 paisa, 95 paisa. So current market price is 1.41. So risk to reward is good. So at current market price you can enter, but the promoter has just started to buy in this company. You can see Gravity India. You can see this promoter has just started buying in this company. You can see here the last time it was Jan 2020. You can see not Jan 20. This was just reported, but the period was 2019. In 2020 there is no acquisition in this share, but in 2021 it has started again, and the two with very less quantity here, and then it has continued with 2021. You can see it's going on here. So it's just started, and the price is, like I said, it's very negligible. So you can just invest some small quantity, small price, and then forget about the stock. In future, if it clicks, you're good. Otherwise, you can forget it. It's that kind of stock. Fundamental is not really good. It's not really good. That's why the price is very, very low. You can see here. Fundamentally, I didn't like it, but it's almost like a debt-free company. See here, because depth and reserves is even more compared to the debt. But what is a good thing is, you can see here promoter holding is 22.4. so this is not actually a good thing, but what I meant is, good thing is, like, public is having very more quantity. So if there is any correction or something, right, you can buy the stock easily. Means it's available, you'll be getting it. You can means like other stocks, right, the promoter has more than 70%. That there it'll be difficult to buy it, but here you'll definitely be able to get the stock anytime, provided there is no very good news or something. Unless there's any sign like that, right, there'll always be sellers. Once there is any good news comes out of this company, then maybe it'll be hard to get this penny stock. But other than this, from my understanding, from my analysis, I didn't find any like great news or something to invest into this company. Only reason why I invested is just this. Currently, the promoter has started to buy in this share. That is one of the reasons. Second reason is current market price. The risk what I'm taking is negligible, and the reward, it can go up to any price. I don't know. So that's the reason I've invested small amount of money. Let's see how it performs in the future. All this first 1 2 3 4 5, all these 5 companies, guys, I'm not recommending you directly, because I have done my own research, on my own analysis. I have made some decisions. I have already holding few quantity of shares in this Padmaji Paper Products, Signet Industries. Today morning only I entered this stock for the first time. I bought it around 31 rupees or something. 31.80 to be precise. I bought few shares at 31.80 in this company. Today only I invested in this one. Almost like 2 weeks back I invested in this company, but with very less quantity. Please remember this. And Pritish Nandi Communications also, today only I invested at 18 rupees. That's the current market price what I bought the shares. So today only I entered this company also, and this Gravity also today only I invested at this 1.47 I bought, because at 1.41 is the current market price, but there was no sellers at this price. The sellers were there at 1.47, so at that price I bought few shares in this company. So in this one I have already betted at 21.80. Still the order has not got executed. So the sellers were around 22.30 or something in this share. So yeah, so all these companies I am so currently I'm holding in all the other shares, but in this one the order has still not got executed. But like I said, I've bought with very less quantity. So coming to next share, Godrej Agrovet. Even in my last video I showed you about this company. This one I'm like little recommendation is there, but again, like I said, you have to do your own research. That is definitely there. But the company, you already, most of you will be knowing, it's the promoter is really good. What is the other good thing in this news is, like any other share like which I discussed here also, the promoter, oh sorry about that, once again, the promoter has been buying the share continuously, guys. Can you see this? Godrej Agrovet, can you see that? Promoter acquisition continuously is happening in this share. See this, promoter acquisition, market purchase, and this is happening for almost you can see here, February completely it is done. Even in January it is there. Even in December the promoter is keeping on buying. And what is good news is, already promoter is having more than 70% in this holding. So in spite of that, they are still buying continuously in this share. Other than that, all the other fundamentals are also good. You can see the depth and reserves, that is also good. This growth sales is good. And I've already visited their website, and I've looked into what kind of business they are doing and what all sectors they are doing. They have very diversified portfolio. Okay, so you can see here only what all they are doing. They are into animal feed business, crop protection business, oil palm business, dairy business, poultry and proceeds food business. So in the agriculture sector itself, in they have diversified into several other things. So that is really good. Even when I went through their website, the R&D also I found it they're investing like a huge into their R&D also. So that was also something which I liked. So overall I am continuously investing in this one, but you can see the current market price is high. Actually it's almost close to 52-week high. Still I am taking a risk, and I'm accumulating rather than investing. I am saying, let's say I'm accumulating, as in when I have some reserve in my hand, then I'm just putting into the share. So for this share I'm investing only from long term perspective, because like I said, the price is already close to 52-week high. So but still, like I said, I'm just accumulating. Let's see what happens, but I'm believing in the stock. I feel not just this stock, all the stocks which is related to agriculture sector, right? Just like how we saw a rally in the technical sector, all the tech companies did really good. Similarly, in future, I believe this all the agriculture sector stocks will perform very good. So just like all people who are believing electric sector, all electric e-vehicle companies or e-sector stocks will do perfectly good in the future. So you all are buying. So similar to that, I'm also believing in agriculture sector stocks will perform really good. So that's one of the reason I'm investing in the stock. And other fundamentally, you can see the promoter holding is good, face value is 10. So all this also made me feel like, yeah, this is one of the stock where I can invest. You can see the peer comparison also, market capitalization, it's like leading actually, if you see with the other stocks. And what again advantage is there, they have one more subsidiary. Let's look into that one. Is it mentioned here? No, one second. Okay, it's not given here, but you can just check their company website. The subsidiary is also doing pretty good, and that share value itself, it's like trading around like 1k or something. So overall I feel this is a really good stock. That's why I'm investing, but the current market price is definitely high, very high. But like I said, I'm just accumulating in the stock. You can visit their website, you can know more about this company. Let's 1 minute. Yeah, this was the subsidiary I was talking, Aztec Life Science. This alone is currently trading at 1k or something. And even the Godrej Industry is the like actual holder of this subsidiary. Godrej Agrovet is a subsidiary of Godrej Industries. So even that is also, the parent company is also really good actually. So that's one of the main reasons I'm investing in this company. You can, again, as I said, please do your research and then take a call on this, whether you need to invest or not. But overall, if I see, it's good. That's my analysis. The last stock for today is this Garnet Construction. Even in my last previous video also, I just recommended this stock. Fundamentally, there's really no very good news or something for investing in this stock. But only reason why I started investing in this is, you can see the insider trade, what is happening. Promoter is keeping on buying in the stock from last quarter result. Okay, this year quarterly result happened in like Feb second week or something. So previous to this quarterly result, from then onwards, the promoter is keeping on buying the share. You can see, you can go through this. So look at this, keeping on acquiring, promoter acquisition is just going on continuously in this stock. And this company is into the real estate sector. Current promoter holding is around 56%, and again, this is almost debt free company. You can see the depth, so that is one good sign. And sales growth, it's showing good here actually. But like I said, I'm investing in this company mainly due to the promoter acquisition, in recent days. That is one of the reason. Other than that, even the depth is not there. That is also one good sign. So company will definitely do better, I'm hoping, and then I'm just investing in this company. You can see this. Fundamentally, there's no a huge bad sign. That is one thing what I'm trying to tell you. But again, this one I'm not directly recommending. You need to definitely do your own research and enter this stock, because risk to reward currently is again risky in this stock, because it's almost close to 52-week high. You can see here. So huge risk is there. If there is a slight correction, there will be a huge correction in this stock. The chances are more. So it's again your call. Please do your research on all these companies and then you decide. So my first stock recommendation was in this stock, in Greaves Cotton. I had recommended this stock in last year November, almost when it was trading around 70 rupees or something. Here, exactly here. See this price range, when it was trading at 73 rupees, I had recommended this stock. So you can see the current market price, 138. It has made a high of 144. So you can just check my video also. I'll leave this. I have made a detailed analysis on Greaves Cotton share, like I said on last year. I'll share that link in the description of this particular video also. You can just check that. So it's almost given 80% return, you can see here. So I had even updated this performance in the Twitter, and even on the comment section of my that video also I have updated. So currently I'm holding all still. I have not sold any quantity. In fact, I have even told you in the comment section that if it again comes back to around 100 rupees price, I'll enter the stock again. Means I'll accumulate more amount of quantity, because if you see that video, I've in detail I've explained why I like this video. This stock is also into agriculture sector. Along with that one, it's also into this EE vehicle manufacturing also. Ampere Vehicles is a subsidiary of Greaves Cotton. So I believed in this company. Like, it's really good. It has lot of potential to do pretty good in the future. That's one of the reason I invested in this Greaves Cotton long back, like I said. But thing is, I had not invested huge quantity of shares that time. That is one bad sign actually. But like I said, if I get in future, if there's any correction, definitely I'll accumulate more. But this I'm just showing you. This was my first stock recommendation in YouTube, and look at how it has performed. That's really good. So even my other recommendation, if you see the other video, I had even recommended Goldium also. So I had recommended in that video, like you enter the stock when it's trading at 200 rupees or something. Today that Goldium stock is also trading around like 330 rupees or something. So that also has done pretty good actually. So yeah, overall that's it for today's video. I hope you like this. If you have any better suggestions, or if you have already analyzed any of these companies and you have some other extra information, do leave it in the comment section. And if you have analyzed any other new company, and if you are investing in that company for any particular reason, and you believe it's going to do pretty well in the future, do suggest that stock also in the comment section, so all other users can get benefit out of it. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe for more such content. Yeah, thank you.